guys, it's Katie. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY unicorn pencil holder thing. So let's just get right on into the video. Whoop. You will need a toilet roll, cardboard, a scissors, some different colored and multicolored paints, and some decorations to put on your unicorn. First I'm going to magically turn this white with the click of my finger. And I'm going to paint this unicorn's body all pastel pink. So then we're going to cut the cardboard into a shape for the hair of the unicorn. And I'm taking my beautiful pencil that my friend made me, Alana, shout out to you. And then I'm cutting it out, and then I'm painting it all the rainbow. Well, in my opinion, this is enough of the rainbow. Then I cut out an isosceles triangle out of some more cardboard, and I'm going to paint that diagonally rainbow as well. Then I'm taking my dotting tool and then I'm going to make some highlights in the eyes. Then we're just gonna hot glue everything in place. Then I'm just filling in different parts of the unicorn with hot glue because it makes it sort of 3D. Like, I made the highlights in the eyes 3D because it was fun, and I also made the horn 3D. Then I'm taking my expensive Copic fine liner, and then I'm just like drawing on eyelashes and the mouth as well. And then I'm just putting some stuff in there because it's fun, but we're not done just yet. Then we're going to help it stand up a bit more, and we're going to take a square of cardboard and we're going to paint it rainbow, you know. I'm making it look like grass and like flowers on the grass. And then we're gonna glue the actual unicorn onto that, and then it'll stand up better. And since I was too lazy to take out my hot glue gun, I just used PVA glue. And here it is. And it's fun. Then I just put my expensive Copic markers in the pencil holder because it's fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And if you want a shout out in my next Saturday video, make sure to turn on notifications and comment down below #craftification squad. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!